Stop buying store-bought tzatziki sauce. This creamy homemade version is cheaper, fresher, and takes just minutes to make. Perfect for grilled chicken, juicy kebabs, and as a dip for crispy fries. Let's make it. We start with 60 grams of Greek yogurt, packed with protein and giving our tzatziki sauce its rich and creamy texture. Next, add 5 grams of minced garlic, bringing bold flavor and natural antioxidants. Goes 15 grams of lemon juice for freshness. Follow with 14 grams of olive oil, giving the sauce a silky finish. Give everything a quick mix. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe for more easy homemade recipes. And in the next video, I will show you how to pair this homemade tzatziki sauce with crispy fried calamari. Stay tuned. Now, add 75 grams of grated cucumber for freshness and crunch. 3 grams of fresh dill for bright herb flavor. 1 gram of black pepper for gentle kick. Season with salt to taste. Give it one final mix, and just like that, our homemade tzatziki sauce is ready. Perfect with grilled chicken, lamb kebabs, and as a delicious dip for crispy fries and vegetables. Check out my playlist for more easy homemade recipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet in the next one, peace out.